aimer,
to like, or to love. In this video, we will learn the verb to like or to love in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. As this is a regular verb, it will follow the same pattern that we have learned in earlier lesson. Let's conjugate it in the present tense. I like.
j'aime,
You like.
tu aimes,
He likes.
il aime,
She likes.
elle aime,
We like, or one likes.
on aime,
We like.
nous aimons,
You like.
vous aimez,
They like.
ils aiment,
They like.
elles aiment, aimer,
Is one of the most fundamental and commonly used verbs in the French language, representing the concepts of affection, fondness, and preference. Whether it's expressing your love for a person, a place, a hobby, or a food item, this is the verb that encapsulates these emotions. Let's use these conjugations and build simple sentences. I like chocolate.
j'aime le chocolat, j'aime le chocolat,
You like music.
tu aimes la musique, tu aimes la musique,
He likes action movies.
il aime les films d'action, il aime les films d'action,
She likes to dance.
elle aime danser, elle aime danser,
We like to travel.
on aime voyager, on aime voyager,
We like animals.
nous aimons les animaux, nous aimons les animaux,
You like to read books.
vous aimez lire des livres, vous aimez lire des livres,
They like to play soccer.
ils aiment jouer au football, ils aiment jouer au football,
They like to eat at the restaurant.
elles aiment manger au restaurant, elles aiment manger au restaurant,
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. I like.
j'aime,
You like.
tu aimes,
He likes.
il aime,
She likes.
elle aime,
We like, or one likes.
on aime,
We like.
Nous aimons.
You like.
Vous aimez.
They like.
Ils aiment.
They like.
Elles aiment.
That's all for today. Please keep practicing. Till then, goodbye and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.